Okay, everybody, so I'm going to do a quick video here about my basic expectations for the class. The first thing I'm going to say is, honestly, don't worry about exact assignments. Don't worry about specific assignments. As long as you're showing me that you're trying to work, you're going to pass the class. That's all I have to say. I cannot make it any more clear than that, partly because I specifically cannot make it any more clear than that with the guidelines I've been given, but show me that you're trying to work and you will pass the class. You'll get an A. I don't want this to be stressful for you. I don't want this to be difficult for you. I just want to try and set you up to succeed as best you can in the future. So that's my first thing that I'm going to say. The second thing that I'm going to say is I'm going to kind of go over where things are on the page so that you can figure things out. Right now I have the conductivity and ionic bonding unit right here. I've got the chemistry schedule. I'll go over that in a separate video. Conductivity and ionic bonding, I'll kind of go over that in a separate video. And then I'll have one more video that I'll eventually put out when I put out the last unit, the intermolecular forces and covalent bonding. So this is my super short video to just introduce where things are on here. I'm going to do a couple of other videos to show you how to access specific things, whether we're talking about OneNote, whether we're talking about accessing assignments on Schoology. I know some people have been having some problems with the assignments on Schoology, and I think I have a fix for that, so I will talk about that. But here is my specific video for requirements of the class. And again, just show me that you're trying to work. That's all I'm asking. That's all I need. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and staying safe. And if you find that you just can't do more or you don't want to do more, I understand. If you find that you want to do more and you want to do stuff to keep yourself engaged, I have a lot of material on here that's extra material that you can work on. That's what I have to say. Good luck, everybody, and that's about it. Take care.